Sensor is a device that detects or measures a physical property and records, indicates, or otherwise responds to it. Few examples of sensors are acoustic sensors, thermal sensors, magnetic sensors, and optical sensors. Acoustic sensors convert sound into an electrical signal. Examples of this class of sensors are microphones. In microphone, sound is first converted to mechanical motion by means of a diaphragm, the motion of which is then converted into an electrical signal. Microphones are extensively used in telephone, hearing aid, and concert halls. In manufacturing applications, acoustic sensors like microphones could be used to monitor the machine performance. The recording from microphones could be used to detect tool wear. Thermal sensors are used for measuring temperature or difference in temperature. An example of this class of sensor is thermometer. Thermometers can be used to measure temperature or temperature difference, and they are used widely in industrial and medical applications. In industry, the temperature of a cutting tool is continuously monitored by thermal sensors like thermocouples. This helps to regulate coolant flow. Magnetic sensors are used for sensing magnetic field. Generally, they use electric voltage for detecting magnetic field. An example of this category of sensor is microelectromechanical or MEMS magnetic field sensors. It is a small-scale MEMS device for detecting and measuring magnetic fields. These sensors can also be used for sensing corrosion on a part. Optical sensors are used for sensing light. Photodetector is an example of optical sensor. A photodetector converts light signals that hit the junction into voltage or current, used extensively in TV manufacturing. In manufacturing applications, optical sensors are generally used for inspecting the quality of the finished product.
Sensors in machining centers are helpful, so we want to have our machines know where the parts are in the machine. So they'll have to probe a part, they'll have to touch off a part, they'll have to know where that part is in space. Sometimes they'll be touching off on fixtures or the part themselves to know where that is, so those sensors are important. Another place that sensors are used to detect broken tools. Before a machine program runs, we want to make sure that we're not going to be making scrap parts when the machine may be making hundreds or even thousands of parts. So that sensor will check to make sure that a tool is present and not broken before the machine will even run. That sensor communicates back to the machine and kind of qualifies the run for us.